All right, picked up this 2000 Ford Ranger for $100. Got in an accident. They bought it back from the insurance company, and it runs perfectly. It's just ugly. So the kid, it was nasty inside. The kid took all the interior out. You can see how yucky it was. He's going to clean all this too, but he took all the interior out, carpets and seats and stuff, as you can see. And he's going to power wash the tar out of it before we start buying parts for it. Grot. Nothing but grot. Yeah. Took a hit in the back and the front, so might end up getting a new bed. It's going to be a work truck for him, so it doesn't have to be pretty. We'll find some bumpers and bumper brackets. Needs a cable for the tailgate. Tailgate opens and closes, just the tailgate cable got cut. Most of the other panels are relatively straight. I don't think there's any frame damage. When you look down, like right over here, there's a bracket here. It's fiberglass panel behind. I would open it up, but it's a lot of work. But yeah, it's not really that much damage. It looks worse than it is. We'll do a little pulling with the big truck and get it straight. Hey, so here's the result of the power washing of all the interior parts of the of the Ford truck. Man, they came really clean, really nice looking. I mean, it's a, it's a 20-year-old rig. I'm not sure how the carpet came out. Still got it draining. Looks like all the water's gone away. So maybe that's cleaned up nice. We'll let it dry in here super good. Make sure those are residual stuff. The panels came out good. Mom's got some of the smaller plastic pieces. These are dirty, but you can see the residual dirt, but they're what's the word I'm looking for? They're stained. But the rest of it, I think, came out really nice. I think he'll be happy. He can put these back in and sit in them and feel comfortable. He's not getting contaminated. Anyway, there's another part. Yeah, well, after all the cleaning and stuff, sun is in there, buddy. Yep, carpet came nice. He's just putting the last little things in. But yeah, look at that driver's seat. Down here, carpet came out. It's got a little staining, but this thing didn't come as clean as we wanted to. But this part is broke, so we'll have to get a replacement from the junkyard. These inserts are missing, and so the screw holes are broke out of this. So there's some parts that need to be replaced, but man, it looks really good. That's some topical stuff that'll come off. I think it was just from letting it sit and draining, but it's coming together. So tomorrow or Monday he's gonna come by and do some exterior stuff, cleaning up the exterior, getting it look good. Well, $100 truck. Nice job.
All right, we're pulling out the bumper.
So,
round two.
hold on. Close, huh?
Yeah, it looks pretty good.
How was that? I think that's perfect. Man.
So why did you pull it in at an angle?
because this bracket is bent this way, so we're gonna pull it that way, back out. Hopefully.
Oh.
Are you filming me? You're funny. Nice job, nice job. Yeah. That right there. Yep. I'm just gonna take out some tension and then just give it a little whack. Yeah, I think we're golden. Yep. Yep.
Oh, it died halfway through.
No, just touch the screen.
Oh. Yeah, okay, never mind, sorry.
Here goes the sleep, the battery.
Oh, and it still records? That's cool.
Any different? A little bit. A little bit.
One more.
Yeah, I need to figure out how to get it right on this bracket. We might have to. The right thing to do this might be to take the bumper actually off, and then we can hook on. That's what. Let's do that. We'll call it a victory for right now.
Okay,
Take the bumper off. We'll hook onto that guy and pull it individually. Because right now we're battling the metal here too.
Right.
And I don't want to bend that bracket. So I think it's just two big bolts. If you look underneath, there's two bolts. They feel like here, here. Maybe, yeah, you'll have to use a silver socket. Oh, wait a minute. We might not be able to get a socket on that. Yeah, you'll have to take this bolt out first. Oh, okay. I'll undo that. You could probably be able to just bend that back, get this bolt out, and then that one and that one. This is what we need to fix. Right here. Okay. So. all we're trying to do is twist this. Right? I think we're done. I mean,